The home warranty company only wants to repair the part that's broken. We have to remember that they're only going to fix that which is broken. So whether or not to get that fixed through the home warranty depends on the customer's needs. If you need your system working fast, it's probably not a good idea to wait for the home warranty company. If you want it done to a specification that you control, then again, you want to go direct with an air conditioning company and not the home warranty company. And if you're looking for the cheapest way, then home warranty is your choice. So when you're looking at things, we have to go by what the home warranty decides. They choose the type, which equipment gets replaced. They choose what type of equipment goes in, and they choose how and when the job gets done. There's a middleman involved. We submit everything to them. They then review it. If they have questions,